Jokbal is a dish of pork chunk and trotters simmered in soy sauce with spices. It is popular in Korea and easy to prepare. Just put all the ingredients in a pot and simmer for a tasty meat with a unique texture skin. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. Start by washing the pork chunks. Put them in a pot. Then add 1 apple cut in half, 1 head of garlic cut in half, 20 grams of ginger cut into slices, a red onion cut in half. Keep the skin, which will naturally color the dish. 40 grams of green onion. Keep 1 for the final dish and the dipping sauce. Tie them. Prepare the following spices: 5-star anise, 7 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf, 4 liquorice slices, 2 dried peppers, 2 shiitake mushrooms. They are rich in umami, a natural flavor enhancer, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Crush them. Here is Korean rice syrup. It has a thick texture. It is less sweet than honey. It will make the meat softer and shiny. Take 8 centiliters. To make the seasoning sauce, in a bowl put 2 tablespoons of salt, 20 centiliters of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce for a nice color, 10 centiliters of mirin, and the rice syrup. Mix all together. Put it in a pot. Add 1.5 liters of water. Put the lid on, heat over high heat. As soon as the water starts to boil, turn to medium heat and let simmer for 1 hour and a half. Every 30 minutes, flip the shanks. During this time, mince the green onion. After 1 hour and a half, cut the fire. Take the chunks out of the pot. Let them cool for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, make the dipping sauce. Take 2 tablespoons of small dried shrimp. They are salty and very tasty. Toast them over low heat for 3 minutes. Stir occasionally. Crush them. Add 2 cloves of garlic. Crush them too. Add half teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of Korean chili powder, gochugaru, 8 centiliters of cooking juice, also put 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. Combine. Put half of the minced green onion and 1/4 teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds. Serve a small bowl for each guest. Cut the chunks into slices. Korean people place the buns under the meat slices to impress. Sprinkle with sesame seeds and the green onion. The jokbal is ready. Bon appétit! Enjoy it with the bowl of rice. I like to sprinkle my rice with the cooking juice. Korean people also like to enjoy jokbal in some way. They wrap a piece of meat in a salad leaf with the sauce. One of the great pleasures of this dish comes from the particular texture of the chunk. The skin is chewy and it has taken on all the flavors during the cooking. The meat is tender. The cooking juice could be kept in the freezer. It will be used for other recipes. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.